Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or to my channel if you hadn't already been here. It's August the 2nd, and today I'm going to scout some new areas that I hadn't fished before with the live scope. If you're not familiar with Lake Fork, it has a lot of standing timber in it that it's actually a lot of it's broken off at the surface or below the surface. So I'm going to go ahead and scan for it with my side imaging right here. And then I'm just going to start fishing. I'm just going to get with the live scope and just start going down from tree to tree and see. Here you go. Here's some of the timber started. You see how this is all bare, and then there's some timber. So I'm going to start on the line, basically in this area, and then I'm just going to fish my way up this big bay here and see what I can find. Now it's full moon. There's a lot of something right in here. Hey, that's some brush or something right there. We'll just go ahead and we'll go ahead and mark this over here. So let's see. We'll go here. Go here. Go here. And we created us a point there, so we'll know where that spot's at. Well, I don't need to do that. This is as good as any. Well, I'm gonna get started. Y'all stay with me. There's the live scope that I've got. I got it on a portable box so that I can move it around my boat. Got two different mounts. I got a ball mount right there, a ball mount right there. Doesn't matter which way the wind's blowing from or where, you know, I can set up on whatever particular type of cover I want to. Brush piles. You know, fishing standing trees, you're typically fishing out the front of the boat, so that's probably what I'll be doing today. But if I'm fishing brush piles, I like to sit off the side of them, and I can move this to either side. Same thing with fishing a bridge too. So we're going to probably be fishing out the front today. So. I got that one. Oh. Got that one finally. I'm gonna tell you guys, I've been fishing for probably about an hour since I started on the edge of the timber, and that's the second fish that I've had. First one I didn't get on camera there. They are very, very spooky. I'm not sure why exactly. But they are. Dang. Alright y'all, I had to move. I stayed at that spot 2 hours in that area, looking around for 2 hours and never, I had that one fish. I don't know if it's going to make the camera or not, but one fish is all I had. I had another one that come off at the surface, but just not a whole lot going on up there in that particular area. So I'm in another area, another edge of some trees. Gonna see if it's any better. Oh, we got him that time, guys. We got him. Look at here. Yeah. Come here, you girl. Oh. Woo. We got us a good one. Yeah. There we go. If y'all can see a little bit of this way here. That's a good one there. Let's get her back in there. Just had to get it in front of her. She ate that red and chartreuse. There's another one down there on the side of the tree also. Let's see if we can get it. Hanging out in the shade over there. I got him at time. Alright. Another good one. I hope y'all can see these fish down there. Just letting the jig down to them. I got that one too. August the 2nd, plucking them out of the trees, guys. Just because it's hot don't mean they quit biting. That may be all we're going to get out of there. I think there's... Can't tell if there's another one. I got him that time. Oh, he's down in the brush. Come on off of there. Here he comes. Oh! Why, I oughta shoot. Oh, here's a good group of them right there. Oh, he boom and knocked the fire out of it there. Him in the bottom jaw. Yeah, some of them aggressive head sucker needs to be eating him some more minnows. He's got scoliosis, look. His tail's all crooked. Get back out there and grow. Well, let's see, is there any more that's going to bite out of that little group? I busted them up. Yep, this is the way it's been though. You got to just keep going. Try one more in there on him. I gotta try all of them. Shoot. Oh, man. Oh, no, not this one. I got him. All you gotta do sometimes I just change. Oh, but he didn't get hung good. See, that's why I come off in the boat. Hey, stop all that. Oh. All right. Look at him going right back down to it. I got that one too. Oh yeah, hey, look at here. Come here, you. Oh, you sorry sucker, you. Dang. Biggest one of the morning, gone. Dang it. I thought it was hooked good too. Dadgummit. There we go. Oh, that one hit me as I was turning my head and trying to reposition the boat. All these fish are hanging around 10 or 12 feet. So you don't necessarily have to have a live scope to do this. I used to do it all the time without it. Just find the timber, let it down in there 10 or 12 feet, you know, kind of vary your depth back in, you know, just find where you're getting bites at. And that's, you know, just hit every stump, every tree you can at that depth. There we go. Yeah, come here, you. That's a good one there. He choked on that bait too, look at there. That's the kind we like right there. We can catch them. It's them others that barely bite, we can't hardly get them. Let it get bigger. 21 foot, down at about 14. I got him right there. Man, you got to get it right on them too, guys, to catch them. They ain't going to swim out and chase it. Not these that I've found today, anyway. You got to be persistent. Right there, guys. We're letting it down to it. Close. There he comes. I hadn't come out there and got it, guys. Some of them, since the day has progressed, they've started hitting a lot more aggressively. It's about 11 o'clock and they're really biting it now when they hit it. They're not fooling around with it like they were earlier. And that may be because we got a full moon. They typically feed better midday during a full moon. It's like deer and all that other kind of good stuff. I don't like when these legs go all crazy on these things. I got that one. Oh, there he went. Quick release. I'll try one more. There he goes. He's swimming back down in there. Right there. I'll try one more. As y'all can see. I got it. Oh, I got him. I got him. It's a big one. That rascal hit my crappie jig. Ouch! Sucker finned me. Be still. Little rascal. Finned the fire out of me when he flipped around. Dang, right there. There's still a bunch of something in there. I gotta get out of here. He didn't hit it good. I got him that time. I got him. That's a good one to finish the day out with right there, the morning. I hope you all were able to see it. Oh, one-legged bait. He didn't even bite it hard, he just grabbed a hold of it. Alrighty. We'll let him get back up there so he'll get over 2 pounds. And I'm going home. I'm hot, I'm hungry. I'm dehydrated probably because I never drink enough fluid. Well, if you made it this far, man, I sure appreciate you sticking with me. It was a little tough. I was, you know, I think I told you at the first of it, I was just going to do some scouting. The first area was terrible, and there was some few fish there, but just not enough for me. So I made about, I don't know, 6-8 mile run to another area of the lake and got into some different timber. It's the same depth. There's fish here. So, you know, that just kind of goes to show that just because you have caught them in one place before doesn't necessarily mean they're there today. So you need to just not be scared to move around. And from my experience, as far as the guide, you know, guiding, if I start on the south end, if I don't have any fish, I'll load up and go to the north end in, you know, just a few minutes, because I've learned that there will be biting in some area better. Maybe the middle of the lake, and maybe the north end, and maybe the south end, maybe a whole nother arm, but they're always biting somewhere. And you just got to keep moving around and keep trying, you know, and keep adjusting your depth and stuff like that. So I appreciate you guys watching. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank y'all for joining me.